In this video, I'll be telling you about YouTube Vlogmas content and how you can fast track your Vlogmas videos to go viral this year, sharing tips and tricks that will make your content stand out. If you are a new YouTuber, this is your chance to go viral regardless of your niche. And if you are a monetized channel, this is your chance to make a lot of money because this festive period, CPMs will be going very, very high. And I will tell you all about it starting right now. Vlogmas is a popular YouTube tradition during December where creators upload daily videos leading up to Christmas, focusing on festive holiday themed content. It's a fantastic way to engage your audience, build watch time, and attract viewers across different platforms, as it is a holiday content that often aligns with viewers' sensational interests. Making the most of this trend lies in understanding what makes Vlogmas content special in the first place. Is it because it's a YouTube trend? Is it the festive atmosphere, the holiday cheer, the presents and the decorations? Well, the answer is yes. Those things are all great, but they are not what truly sets Vlogmas apart. At its very core, Vlogmas is about connections, community, and bringing people together. It's about sharing your holiday experience with others and making them feel like they are part of it all. That's what makes Vlogmas so magical. So, how can you tap into the magic? How can you make your Vlogmas content stand out in the crowd of other contents? Well, storytelling is the key to any successful Vlogmas video or content. You need to be able to craft a story that draws people in and keeps them engaged. That means thinking outside the box and coming up with unique and creative ideas that set your content apart. It's not just about decorated trees and festive sweaters. It's about creating an experience that people will remember. When it comes to unique themes, think about what makes your channel special. What is your channel all about? What sets you apart from the rest? What's your unique voice? What's your style? When you can tap into that and create content that is originally you, then that's when the magic happens. Collaborating is another key element. Partnering with other creators can help you tap into new audiences and create content that is fresh and exciting. It's not just about featuring another content creator on your video. No, it's about creating a joint experience that brings people together. Effective use of social media is also crucial. You need to be able to promote your content and get it in front of as many eyes as possible. That means using Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and all the other social media platforms put together, if you can anyways, because as a YouTube content creator, it takes so much of your time. You may not be able to go to other social media platforms, but if you can, do it. You need to be able to make noise around your content and get people talking about you. When you do that, you will be able to tap into that stream of income and views, and you will be on your way to creating a viral Vlogmas content. Sensational. The secret ingredient that makes Vlogmas videos irresistible includes the importance of originality and connecting with your audience on a personal level. Being authentic is key to any successful Vlogmas video. You need to be able to be yourself and share your genuine experience with your audience. That means being vulnerable and opening up in a way that feels true to you. I am talking to you. When you can do that, you will create a connection with your audience that is unbreakable and it's unmatchable. At the end of the day, it's all about creating content that is real and authentic and true to yourself. When you can do that, you will be well on your way to creating Vlogmas content that is truly irresistible. It is not just about the views or the likes or the comments. It's about creating a connection with your audience that lasts long even after the holiday seasons are over. Here are splendid ideas for Vlogmas this year. Christmas preparations. Videos like decorating your Christmas tree, setting up lights, or DIY holiday decor projects are always engaging. People will watch that. Holiday shopping. Take your viewers along as you go for shopping of gifts and explore your Christmas market. Let them see what is in your neighborhood. Let them see what is on your street. Let them see what is in your country. Of course, they will engage. I mean, everybody likes to buy something. Festive recipes. Share Christmas dinner or snack or recipes, or even host a baking challenge like building a gingerbread house. Daily life and traditions. Vlog about wrapping a gift, family traditions, or creating advent calendars. Holiday outings, attend Christmas concerts, visit light displays, or go on a winter adventure like sledding or ice skating. But in my own country, there is no ice. So the only thing we go about doing is watch masquerades, watch carnivals, maybe go swim or do something fun like that. But in my country, there is no ice. But if you have ice in your country, come on, go on, ice skating. Giveaways and community engagement. I mean, host a Christmas giveaway to thank your subscribers. They brought you to where you are. They've been the one viewing your video. So if you can do it, go ahead and do it. Reflection and resolution. Share your ending of the year reflections. Share your gratitude list or plans for the new year. The new year is about to start. People are going to start sharing my new year, new me, new year resolutions and all that and all that and all that. So go ahead and be part of that. And a lot of people would want to see what you are planning to do for the next year. So go ahead, share it. If you participate in Vlogmas this December, it could be a great opportunity to grow your channel, most especially if you're just starting up like me. I'm not actually just starting up, but I messed up along the line, so it feels like I'm just starting up. So you can be part of this great opportunity and benefit from the stream of income as well as the avalanche of views that are coming in. Click on the video on the screen right now because that is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch right now, and I will see you in that video. Let's go.